Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. Begin by gathering your clay materials. Roll out a thin sheet of clay using a rolling pin of your hands. Sketch a rough outline of a flower on a piece of paper. Use a toothpick or squeaking tool to trace the outline onto the clay. Start shaping the plates by cutting them out of the clay sheet. Flatten each petal slightly to add a more natural curve. Use a small tool to each lines in the petals. Shape a small ball of clay of the center of the flower. Press it gently into the place in the middle of the petals. Carefully pinch the tip of the petals to add mixture. Gently lift the heads of the outer petals for a more dynamic look. Smooth out any rough areas with your fingers or a soft brush. Add more petals if you want a fuller looking flower. Thanks for watching this video.